I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So for today, September 15th, let's take a look at a stock that is having a big gap up for today. And we can see that it is up in a big way, up about 53% for the day, based on where it closed yesterday. And the stock is GSKY. Now, quick look at the news flow for those who care for why it is moving. We can see here the stock is part of a buyout by Goldman Sachs, as reported by various financial news outlets. All right, so we can say that's the fundamental reason, but we are not too concerned about the fundies. Back to the daily. So what the daily chart looks like, take a look at the weekly chart. And of course, on the weekly chart, we can see a nice breakout now on hindsight after this day's gap up. But what I want to discuss here is whether there was any opportunity or chance to be part of this massive move today before today's move. So to understand this, we need to go back to the old data monthly chart. And I'm going to take you back to the month of July right there, because if you understand the ultimate Muathe breakout, you can see that based on the prior weekly closing high, based on the prior monthly closing high from the month of March, take that as a breakout level. You can see here in July that there was a price breakout. This breakout coincided with the RSI moving to 3-year highs. In this case, it was all-time highs. And we can see that both MACDs in the same time frame, which is July, the MACDs were also breaking out to 3-year highs, in this case, all-time highs, just like the RSI was doing. So we can see from this example that even going back to July with the breakout just above $6 or based on the monthly closing high from the month of March, we can see that that breakout met all the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, a concept brought to you for your use should you lean towards playing breakout, or for your consideration. Lots of examples are going to be discussed via the links in the description of this very video. In other words, even before today's gap up in price for this instrument, the stock had already given the ultimate Muathe breakout signal all the way back on the daily chart to this breakout right here. Remember, the ones that tend to move tend to have those minimum requirements before their explosive runs. And so it is. I am Eric Muathe. I leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator, Adonai.